just when excitement for Nokia's next flagship phone, the Nokia 9, reached a new level of excitement. Thanks to a series of mobile industry leaks, a stunning new Nokia 9 video has hit the internet. The most mouth-watering part of the Nokia 9 video, aside from the phone looking absolutely beautiful, the Nokia 9 in the video comes packing 5 rear cameras. The standout feature of this Nokia 9 video, without doubt, is the Zeiss-made 5-camera system installed on the backplate. A camera array of that quality would easily outgun the triple-camera system installed on the Huawei P20 Pro, and also likely outperform both the new iPhone XS and incoming Google Pixel 3 in terms of image quality. On top of the standout camera system, the other thing that you will notice in this video is the Nokia 9's near bezel-less edge-to-edge display, which seems a cross-mix between Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 and that on the new Sony Xperia XZ3 display. We're super excited to see what Nokia has in store, and with the Nokia 9 potentially only days away from an official launch, it looks like we won't have to wait long to find out.